Hey drone enthusiasts! Ready to take your flying experience to new heights in 2025? In today's video, we're diving into the best drones of the year, from pro-level models to budget-friendly options that still deliver amazing footage. Whether you're capturing stunning aerial shots or just enjoying a smooth flight, we've got the perfect drone for you. Stay tuned to find out which one will be your next go-to. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Looking for a drone that's small but packs a punch? The DJI Mini 4 Pro is the perfect blend of compactness and performance. With an impressive 48-megapixel camera, 4K video recording, and advanced obstacle sensors, it's perfect for anyone from beginners to experienced drone enthusiasts. It's also lightweight, making it super portable, and with 30-minute flight time, it's built to go the distance. Plus, its easy-to-use controls make flying a breeze for those just starting out. Why it's a winner. Perfect for users who want high-quality shots without the bulk, all in a portable, user-friendly package. Autel Robotics EVO Lite Plus. If you want stunning footage with outstanding camera quality, the Autel Robotics EVO Lite Plus is the one. Featuring a 50-megapixel camera with 4K HDR video, it delivers exceptional imaging and vibrant, detailed shots. This drone is equipped with intelligent flight modes like orbit and waypoint for creative control and ease of use. Plus, it has a long range of up to 7.4 miles, giving you the freedom to explore farther than ever before. Why it's a winner. For those who prioritize top-tier camera performance and long-range flights. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is the drone to get if you want cutting-edge features in a sleek, foldable design. With a dual camera system, wide and telephoto lenses, 5.4K video capabilities, and OcuSync 4.0 for more stable connections, the Air 3 takes your aerial shots to the next level. It's also packed with intelligent flight modes and an impressive 46-minute flight time, making it a solid choice for both casual and professional drone operators. Why it's a winner. It's the perfect balance of advanced features and portability, offering pro-level shots with ease. Holy Stone HS720G. If you're after a budget-friendly drone that still packs a punch, the Holy Stone HS720G is a top contender. Featuring a 4K camera, GPS-assisted flight, and optical flow positioning, it's great for both beginners and intermediate flyers. The drone also boasts a flight time of up to 26 minutes in stabilized footage, ensuring smooth, high-quality video. Its foldable design makes it super easy to transport, and its user-friendly controls make it a hit for first-timers. Why it's a winner. Ideal for anyone looking to get into drone flying without breaking the bank, yet still wanting excellent video quality. DJI Flip RC-N3. Looking for something compact and unique? The DJI Flip RC-N3 might be just what you need. This drone is perfect for users who want something ultra-portable without sacrificing functionality. With an intuitive controller, advanced stabilization for smooth footage, and 4K video recording, the Flip offers an impressive combination of performance and portability. Whether you're out for a hike or traveling, this drone is designed to be easily packed into your bag. Why it's a winner. Its compact design and ease of use make it perfect for travelers and casual flyers. If you're looking for the best camera quality, the Autel EVO Lite Plus offers a 50-megapixel camera and stunning 4K HDR video. For those who want a compact, high-performance drone, the DJI Mini 4 Pro and DJI Air 3 both deliver excellent video quality, with the Air 3 offering a dual camera system for more creative shots. For budget-conscious buyers, the Holy Stone HS720G offers a fantastic 4K camera and solid performance at a lower price point. Finally, the DJI Flip RC-N3 stands out for its portability, perfect for on-the-go drone enthusiasts. Which drone would you take to the skies in 2025? Let us know your top pick in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed reviews on the best drones this year.